Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to looking for a template in a Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application and hold on until we arrive on the application itself. Okay, and now here's the look when you already arrive in the application of the Capcut, and to looking for or find out the templates, you just need to go click in the template sections. Okay, so now you just need to find out which template that you want to use in your project. You just need to scrolling down. You can also search into the other theme of the template by clicking this section. If you want to have a bit, just need to go click bit, and the bit template will be appear on your screen. You can also take a look on this information. So this information is inform you about how many accounts that already use this template. So the more the more the number means that there are also more people using the templates that you choose. Okay, for example, let's do this. And after that, you just need to go click use templates and follow all of the instruction. You can do with a video or photos. If you need to photos, go photos, and after that choose and follow all of the instructions that give by the Capcut. And after that, you just need to go click preview. So that's all the way how to use template on a Capcut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.